Hi guys, my name is Michael. In this video, I want to show you Visual Studio for Android phones. So click on your Play Store, come to the search and type Visual Studio Code. Okay, you can see it has come up here. Just click on it. Wow, so I just heard about it. Visual Studio Code website builder. So let's download it. Okay, now we'll come to the about this app. Let's check what it has. So you can subscription added, can remove ads, then download website templates for free. Wow, that's good. Then auto complete tags, auto close brackets, rearrange HTML like CSS and Java codes, auto complete text, preview available in mobile mode, tab mode and desktop mode. Wow, that's nice. Auto save files, so automatically can save your files. Okay, that's pretty nice. Okay, so it seems that in the Visual Studio Code there are ads in it. While checking the review, you can see there are ads in it. This guy said it. Every time he runs a code, he sees a advert. Okay, let's check another one. It says this is actually a great app, but the images are not working properly. Like if we write something like H1, then the doesn't appear in this. Okay, so it says image not working well. So it says, so the comment says has all the features I want, except that it lags as I type. So let's wait for it to download. Okay, it's done downloading. So we click open. Please allow Visual Studio to access photo, media and files. Allow. Okay, says create/open folders, files, templates. Okay, features, remove ads. Okay, not bad. So let's test it out. Let's click on the first option. Okay, so I can view the files in my phone. Let me click on the plus. So I click on the plus, the blue round one. Then I want to let me create a file. Import file, create a file. Okay, make sure you include the extension. Okay, so I guess I'll put the name here. Need to index.html. Create. Okay, done creating. Looking for it. Okay, so this is right here. Select folder. Are you sure to select this folder? So I'm going to select it. Yes. Successfully saved. Okay, so this is the home preview. Okay, now I'm going to click on preview. Let's see. Okay, so there's a little write-up in it. That's been commented out. So it just says Visual Code Mobile, developed by, okay, that's the name of the company that developed it, and available on Play Store. Okay, so let's see if we could try some of those things we could do on the desktop version. Type in, put in the exclamation mark. Nope, seems not to have the autocomplete, so which means I'll have to type the old code out. So let's see, HTML let me see it as autocomplete. Does it? It does have autocomplete, but it works when you're locking the last tag. Oh, okay. Okay, since to have that completed, let's see. Let's pretend the. So I'm gonna pause right here and quickly type some things so I won't take too long. Okay, so I can run the code by clicking the blue play button and blue surrounding it and with the white. So I can see this preview here. Looks like I can view the system how it will look like. Oh, so that's how it looks like in a system on a phone and on a smaller phone. Oh, okay. So I can view it how it's gonna look like on a smaller phone, Android, and a laptop. Okay, let's go back, clicking the arrow. Let's see what else it can do. Okay, I can view all the files. Oh, it's not that bad, seriously. So I just need to click this play button right here to view my code. When I click it, it runs. Though I have to look at ads before it displays what I want to see. Maybe that is a little bit disadvantage. So click the X to remove it, then boom, I can now view my code. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That is Visual Studio for Android. Bye.